Time for some hard words, creatives. First, the sweet news. There is no consequence for making bad art. No one is going to hurt you. Nothing is going to come after you. If you wrote and it was terrible, it doesn't matter. It's fine. If you tried to draw and it looked totally wrong, it is okay. Whatever you make, you don't even have to show anyone. You can just look at it and say, all right, that's not where I want it to be, and you can keep learning. There is no consequence for bad art. Okay? Now we're on to the hard part. If you're not willing to make bad art, you're never going to make it at all. Yeah, that's anxiety making. I get that. I have anxiety. I understand. But if you're not willing to start to train those muscles, to start to train your mind, how are you ever going to be able to make good art? These things take practice. There's no way to do them off the bat without practicing. And the way you practice is you have to be willing to make mistakes. The fear of doing it wrong often holds us down. We're so afraid of it that we're not willing to try. But there's no consequence. Nobody cares. Nothing bad happens. You are not damaged somehow. Make bad art. Just do it. Just make it. Then hide it, burn it. I don't care. But make it again the next day. If you keep going and you keep going, as you train your muscle memory, as you access your skills, as you learn how to make the thing that's in your head, it will get better. That is how it works. But you have to be willing to start. Creative, you can do this. Make bad art. There is no consequence, and you are not required to show anyone, so you don't even have to worry about getting made fun of. Just continue to make it, because as you do, you will get better, and eventually your creative vision will be real. Now sit down with me, and let's make something new.